Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Irene Duques from the Philippines. I am 44 years old. I am married. My husband is a farmer. I have two children, 21 years old and 17 years old. They are two boys, and I am a college level, a 1 year and 4 months midwifery, a undergraduate. I have 11 years experience as a domestic helper. The first one is in Dubai for 2 years, 2010 to 2012. The second one is in Malaysia, 2012 to 2014. And the third one is in Hong Kong for 2014 to 2017. And the last one is in Malaysia for 2019 to 2024. And now I am applying again as a domestic helper in Hong Kong probably, and my skills is taking care of the children and newborn baby, cooking, and I am hardworking and happy and friendly. And I prefer to work to taking care of the kids and newborn baby. And if you choose me as your helper for the future, I am hardworking and doing everything, maintaining the cleanliness of the house, especially for taking care of the kids or a newborn baby. And you can check my profile in Helper Library apps, ma'am and sir. And thank you. Bye bye.